I have an interest. What is the process?
Well, JPC advertises.
Okay.
JPC advertises.
What is JPC?
It's Johannesburg Property Company. Yes, Johannesburg Property Company will advertise. So any suitable developer that will qualify will then be provided.
And other adverts as we speak?
Well, I will then have to check with JPC because they are the ones to run that process, especially within the inner city, because ours is to make sure that the properties are vacant and ready for advertisement, so that JPC could run that particular process.
Okay. Maybe then let's move, well, before we move away from the inner city problems, these orders, how old are they? The orders that you have attained for evacuation?
Well, we obtained them last year.
All of them?
Then we've done evacuation on 2 properties. But unfortunately, the challenge which we are also battling within the inner city, it's around the provision of alternative accommodation. Because some of the...
Yeah, I want to zoom into that.
Yes.
So, but firstly, how old are the court orders? Are you able to tell us when were they attained?
Well, we obtained them last year.
All of them?
Yes, we obtained them last year.
So, yeah, that impediment, what is the crisis with evacuation?
Well, now the challenge which we are battling with, there are properties, there are 4 properties which we are currently refurbishing so that we are able to give alternative accommodation to the qualifying beneficiaries. Because some of the court orders will compel us as the city to provide alternative accommodation when there is a risk for homelessness. So it's not a blanket approach. So we need to do an assessment to determine whether through this evacuation and the evacuation will we have beneficiaries or tenants which will be rendered homeless if we execute these evacuation orders. So because now we've got quite a number of people that must be provided with alternative accommodation. So we needed to identify certain properties, acquire them, refurbish them, repurpose them into residential buildings so that we are able to allocate and house those that will be required to be provided with alternative accommodation. So that's where we are as the present moment. So that's why we have not done any evacuation for the past 6 months, because we are in a process of completing the refurbishment of those particular properties so that we are able to commence with our evacuation program.
Okay. What's your plan then?